Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Administrator Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Click on User Accounts. After this, select Manage Another Account. Choose the user. Now click Change the Account Type. Here, check the Administrator box and click Change Account Type to confirm this change. When doing this, click Start, click on your user, and then select the user that has been changed as administrator. After this, log into this account and wait for the system to load. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.